Next, I'm going to create the pages for the staff and student functions, similar to the admin functions page. So first I'm going to copy this admin functions page, and here I will paste it, and we'll rename it as the staff functions. Similarly, I can uh, paste it again to create the student functions page. Let me first create the staff functions page. I will remove this comment first in the sidebar. So the class we need to add for this staff button is now this one, but btn inset, because we want to show that button as pressed. So I will add that btn inset class to the staff button, and I will add the btn-raised class to the admin button. Next, I'm going to create the uh, main content of this page. So before creating the main content, first I will open this staff underscore functions page. Now we can see this admin button is showing as 3D and not clicked button, and also student button is similar, but this staff button shows as clicked button. So we want to now change these buttons to show only the staff related functions. First one is employee categories. The second one is intakes. And the third one is staff. And the fourth one is instructors. we have only these four buttons for the staff as functions. So that means we don't need this second row anymore. Although we added this second row in the admin functions because we had 8 functions. Here we have only 4 functions. So because of that, I'm going to delete this second row. And let me refresh the page now. It now shows the staff related functions. Next, I'm going to add the buttons for the student functions page. In this page, we have to add this btn inset class to the student button, and we can add this btn raised class to the admin button. And for the student page, student functions page, we need to only add 3 buttons at the moment. So because of that, we can change this call MD3 to call MD4 because we only need 3 columns. Earlier we wanted 4 columns, that's why we added call MD3. Now I'm going to change it to call MD4 because we only need 3 columns. And we don't want the second row, so I'm going to delete that. The first button is this students button. The second button is this course. So let me give the button name as course. Actually, we can give it as courses. The third one is course offerings. Those are the 3 functions related to students at the moment. So I'm going to delete this fourth one, which is this buildings, which we added earlier in the admin functions page. We don't need it anymore. Now let's open this in browser, and this is how it looks. So there's some issue here. We can see more space here, but this one, the space between the 3 buttons is not equal. So let's see what has happened. Okay, I think it's because of this. We need to add here column D4. Now it should be okay. Yes. The next step is to create the page when admin click this campuses button. So I will create the page for that, and to do that I will use this home_admin page, and we'll make a copy of that, and I can rename it as campuses. I copied the home_admin page because it has this sidebar, and I want a sidebar to this campuses page to show one button as add campus and the another button as view campuses. So let me add the text as add campus for the first button, and for the second button I will add view campuses, and I don't need a third button, so I will delete it. It should still select this admin area because that's a function related to admin. And in the main content, we need to uh, add some content later. So for now, I will keep it as blank. Let's open that and see how it looks. It looks like this, and admin area is selected and active, and these buttons are not pressed.